Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this BMW X6. First of all, make sure nothing's connected already. I've just, my phone was, I've just knocked the Bluetooth off. I'm just going to delete it. So, click the menu, you go back to the home screen, communication is up, which is click the iDrive towards the windscreen. And there we go, we've got telephone, BMW services, BMW online. We want telephone. Click on telephone, please activate Bluetooth telephone or pair in the settings menu, and then it's got two settings menu. As I say, there's no phone connected, it's not picked anything up, so it's giving you this menu. It'll give you a different menu, it'll just pick your phone up if you get in and it's paired. So to settings menu. So there you've got phone, settings, help, pair new telephone, telephone's paired already, and it's showing my phone and John's phone at the garage here. So we'll go down to my phone, click backwards, select my phone there, and it's given me the option to remove the device, which is what I want to do. So remove device, and that's it, it's gone.